If you still find it somehow not easy to tie your head wrap on your braided wig, come around, let me show you this simple way you can use to tie it. So if you have that material, usually you should have a small material when you want to tie it on your braid. But if you have a longer material, just fold them up like this, fold it up like this that I've showed on this video, and you go to the back and go place it from the back towards the front like this. So watch my hand and see the way I'm going to be grabbing it up at the front. So once you have placed it from the back like this and you are having it towards your neck, so you're going to be raising the excess up like this. And remember, we should have equal parts, that is the fabric. So you see how I'm holding it, so I folded it like that, like I fold it into two, grab the two together and hold it with my hand. So I'll continue folding it till that my fabric is exhausted. So that's the last one for this side, and I'll go for the last one for the other side. So I'll make sure that it is very firm on your head. Okay, so you grab all the pleated parts up like this and secure with your band. Secure it with your band, guys. So once you secure with your band, you see all these little ones that remain, you find a way to secure it. Just dip it somewhere here at the front, find a way to secure it. Once you have secured it, it's just for you to come around and adjust all adjustables and stretch it out like this, and you have this, guys. Or you still can dip your hand in and stretch those pleated parts out to look round, and you had your brooch at the center. Then you can go out rocking your braid and having your head tie on at the same time. So guys, what do you think? I'm trying to just stretch out to form a round shape before I add my brooch, guys. So this is what I have. Stress no more with your DIY gele head wrap. Just stick around and watch more videos about head wrap gele tutorial. You're not gonna regret it, okay? So why don't you follow for more and drop a like.